So I decided to go ahead and come and get a fill on my nails. I didn't get anything special because I don't have anything going no time soon. But I almost stayed at home in the bed and watched Netflix because it was raining so hard. Then I started thinking, I'm like, well, maybe everybody will think like that and the nail shop will be empty. I got there and there was like 5 people waiting on me. So I'm glad I went ahead and came because I hate waiting at the nail shop because it already take an hour to do them. So, you know. But anyway, there's a Dollar General in this same parking lot with the nail shop. So I'm going to go there, and then like 2 minutes up the road, there's a Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, HOMEGOODS, I believe. I forgot what other stores down there, but I'm gonna go there, and on my way back around home, I'll probably stop at Hobby Lobby. Then there's another Ross and Dollar Tree, of course, and Burlington is over there. At home, of course, I have a birthday coupon for at home, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that because I think it expires like tomorrow or Sunday. But Dollar General is where I get the majority of my cleaning supplies. Dollar General or Family Dollar. Download the app, get the coupons, go get the stuff when it's on sale. You already have it, you know you'll need it later, so go ahead and go on and get it, girl. But yes, I'm gonna go in there, and they sometimes have some really nice decor, so I'm gonna see what they have for fall/autumn and grab anything I see that I might like. I'm not sure about their return policy, so I don't know about returning stuff. I know the other stores that I'm gonna be going to, I always, if I don't like it or if I choose something else, I just take it back. But stay tuned to see what I pick up. Surprisingly, Dollar General had a big selection, I think, for a dollar store of fall decor. And I did find a few things there. You'll be able to see later on what I was able to find and put together for my home decor. As you can see, we're at TJ Maxx/HOMEGOODS now. And you can see that there is a huge selection there of fall decor. So if you are looking, that is one place that I would definitely stop at. It was pretty crowded, so I'm not really comfortable in those type of situations. So I didn't spend a lot of time in there, but I was able to find some things. And also not even just for fall decor, but just home decor. Anything home related, this is the place to go. And I know most of you probably already know that, but for those of you who don't, if you don't have one in your city, if you go visit a city that has one, definitely stop there. I thought this display was really nice, and it definitely caught my attention and made me want to grab one of the pumpkins. Now this is probably by far my favorite section in Target. I'm gonna always stop by here no matter what I come in Target for. They always have the goods. Now we are in Ross. They really didn't have much at this location. This was about all that I got there. So on to the next. So I've now been to TJ Maxx, HOMEGOODS, Target, Ross, and Dollar General, and I've already gone over budget. So I'm gonna go to probably still go to Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and at home just to see what I can find. And also I am just picking up stuff because I have no idea like what I'm gonna do with where I'm gonna put things. So I may be taking some stuff back. So that's why I'm not really worried about budget right now. See, this right here is what made me almost skip fall decor altogether and just go straight to Christmas. Because this is just beautiful. I cannot wait. See, I'm going more for a fall look than Halloween, but I wanted to add this in here just in case you guys wanted to see what all they had for Halloween decor. Now we are in Burlington. I didn't purchase anything there because I didn't see anything that I really necessarily had to have. So this is everything that I got today. The hubs told me to come home, so I'm home. I told them I had been spending too much money, so we definitely went over budget. But like I said earlier, whatever I don't use or I don't feel like goes, then I will be taking it back. So I won't show you everything I got today because there was a few things I didn't find that I'll be ordering today from Amazon. And I think I found the other thing on Kohl's. I can't remember. But I'm going to order those things today. And when they come in, I'll show you everything I have. And hopefully by then I'll be all cleaned up and ready to decorate for the fall. Have not given you guys a furnished house tour. So I will clear all this out and show you a before of the dining room and the living room and all of that before I decorate, because I'll probably just decorate downstairs. Probably not do much upstairs if I do anything. So stay tuned and see what we can figure out. What's up? So this is another day, and I realized I didn't get much for the porch for fall decor, so I'm about to go back out and look at a few stores that I didn't look at and see what I can see. I don't plan to get much because I've already got too much, but I'm gonna show you guys whatever I see today, so just keep watching. Heading into Michael's. See if we can find something for the front porch. Let's get it. Now, I was kind of late to Michael's because everything really had been picked over, and or I guess what I was looking for had been picked over. So, I did get a few things, but the things that I really wanted, either there weren't enough, like the artificial flowers and stuff, or it was always something. But next time I'll know to come there earlier. So this is the last store for this video. So I would like for you to stay tuned to the next video so you can see the house tour as well as what all I got from the stores.